Telescopic Lift L'Oréal Mascara.
So I gave in and bought the mascara that's breaking TikTok right now. So let's do a full review. I just took it out of its packaging. I haven't even opened it yet. I just wanted to say that I was able to locate it at a Walmart, and I am located in Toronto, Ontario. Every Shoppers Drug Mart that I went to, it was completely sold out. So my favorite drugstore mascara that's also made by L'Oreal happens to be the Voluminous Original. This is my favorite all-time drugstore mascara. I've been using it for so many years. So let's see how this one compares. So I've just gone ahead and curled my lashes. So I'm just looking at the instructions really quickly. So it says step 1, lift and load your lashes using the front hook bristles. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So just going in from the root to the tip. And this is supposed to separate the lashes. Wow, so it's giving a lot of volume right away, which I really like. I'm just usually not a fan of these type of bristles on mascara. Okay, so right away, I'm really impressed. So just going in with step 2, it says use the side hook comb to separate your lashes for added volume and length. That's this part right here. So I'm just gonna go over the lashes again. Okay, so I think I'm more impressed with the front part of the bristles. I definitely noticed a lot of separation and volume with that. This is just, it is giving it more volume, but my lashes always do seem to fall forward after I've curled them. Okay, still looks good. I think I like just sticking to that one coat better. Let me do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did mascara on the other eye, and I also put some mascara on the bottom lashes. I do really like the way it looks on the bottom lashes. I'm actually really impressed with this mascara. It definitely performed better than I thought it would. Overall, I think I need to use it a few more times just to give a really honest review. But this is just my first impressions. I may do a video later on just to show how the mascara holds up and to see if I end up liking it long term. If you've tried out this mascara, let me know your thoughts on it below.